Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to find if your Windows computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. There are a couple of ways, but we're going to use the easiest one. So right click here on the start menu, then go to the settings. It will take some time to load. After it is loaded, you have to go to the system. And then you have to scroll down and find this about button. Click here. After that, you'll see this device specifications. Here you have your device name and other information and also the system type. So this laptop, the one I'm using to make the video, is using 64-bit operating system. Which, like, if it was 32-bit, it would write 32-bit. So this is super easy to find the system type of your Windows laptop. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks a lot.